Just came back from the gym, going for a hot shower. Before that, I wanted to show you something. Street Twin kissed me. The other day when I took this treatment for service, the first service, that day while getting down, my jeans was a little bit high and my leg happened to touch the exhaust just for a split second, just like that. My eyes literally popped out, but that time it was all fine. After 2-3 days, that's the result. Skin burn. Hair seems to be growing back properly and looks good. I told you guys that I'm gonna change my hairstyle because since the last, I think from the time you're seeing me on this channel, I have the same hairstyle. Usually I trim it on the sides and keep it long in the middle, but this time I'm planning to grow it all over. Hopefully it should look good. If it doesn't look good, let's change it again. But there is one catch. When you grow your hair, you need to maintain it. You need to take extra care of it. I've been using Mamaearth tea tree hair oil. This is enriched with tea tree and ginger. For me, when I grow my hair, I get dandruff. Tea tree has antifungal, antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Not only it treats dandruff, but it also makes your hair follicles receptive to nutrition, promoting overall hair growth. I'm not just saying it, there's a proper clinical research on tea tree. The study suggests that it helps reduce dandruff. And it's also got ginger. Ginger has antiseptic properties which help with fungal infections on your skin. It also stimulates hair follicles, which in turn promotes hair growth. Oh, it's also got Bringraj, a miracle herb that helps prevent hair loss. Also, I really like this comb neck. This helps with easy application of the oil, not just to your hair but to the roots. All Mamaearth products are chemical free and are made of natural ingredients. Mamaearth is all about goodness inside, and this goodness doesn't just lie in their products but also in the values they stand for. For example, the Plant Goodness Initiative. Every time you buy a product from them, Mamaearth will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming towards planting 1 million trees, which means we as customers are also being a part of it. Also, they have been awarded PETA's cruelty free and beauty without bunnies certification. Also, Mamaearth has different types of hair oils. As you can see, this is the argan hair oil. This is for frizz-free hair, especially if you have long hair. And then for hair fall control, you can use the onion hair oil. And finally, you have the Bring Amla hair oil. This is for intense hair treatment. Depending on your hair type, you can select the right one. So you can use my coupon code Shriman2021, get flat 20% off at Mamaearth. So you can purchase this from Mamaearth, Flipkart or Amazon. Also, the bikes are here. Just got an update from Triumph. In our last trip when we went to Uttarakhand, we had to ship our bikes back from Delhi. Reason being, I told you all that, right? Shiva had to get back to work. I had some family plans and all that. And let's forget all that. Bikes are here. Let's go check them out. And I think I'll not be getting it today because I need some service to be done on that. Because next again, we're gonna start a ride. Another 2 months left before the summer hits us hard, because obviously in summer we cannot ride, but I'm planning to do some car trips. Plans are cooking. For now, let's hit the roads. What are you saying? What are you saying? Say in your Tarzan Bhasha. Your Tarzan language. Huh? What is it?
नाइशा कैसे हंसती है?
Now she's 1.5 years old. I think she should start talking at least 1 or 2 words in the next 4-5 months.
She already said the first word, flower.
Flower.
Flower. Naisha,
Now for everything she says that only.
Yeah.
Flower.
Naisha, where?
Even if you show her the shoe and say, what is this? She'll say, flower. सब कुछ उसको flower है. Naisha, where is the flower? Where is the flower?
She knows garden में.
Naisha, where is Kia? Kia. Where is Kia?
Where's Coco?
Coco is coconut tree.
Yes, very good, very good.
Self tarif. Arey, this is not at all happening here. Actually, today's plan was to go and get this car registered. Somehow that is not happening at all. This is the 3rd time I missed it. I didn't miss it this time. My RT agent calls me today. I was all prepared. I took all the papers ready. And when I was working out in the gym, my RT agent calls me and he says, "Sir, servers are not working today. Don't come. Come back tomorrow." Khatam. Plan flop. A workout bhi thoda kam ho gaya today because I thought I'll go for this work. So I missed a little bit of my cardio. I had to do like 30 minutes of cardio. I did only 20 minutes. Can't help it. Tomorrow I will go and get this thing done. For now, let's go check out हमारा babies, not babies, हमारा bees, the Tiger and the BMW 1250 GS. I just reached the Triumph showroom. Just wanted to give you an update about the Kia Seltos average economy I'm getting after the first service. Right now it shows 12.4 kilometers per liter. Just now it went down to 12.3 while I was talking, and I've driven like 14 kilometers, 13 to 14 kilometers till here. I've driven it like a monk, like aram se smooth. I got 12.3 kilometers for a liter, which is pretty good. I don't think I can drive this car any smoother than that to being a DCT. Traffic was like okay, it was not like too bad. One or two major traffic signals, apart from that no bumper to bumper traffic, so yes, good. So here at the Triumph showroom, I'm waiting for Shiva. Once he comes, let's go check out our babies. No, not babies, it's beasts. Baby kaun se angle se dikh raha hai yaar? Here is the bike. The BMW is ready. We're gonna take it and go for now. I'm leaving my Tiger here because I need some service to be done on that. Also preparing for the next trip, I told you, right? For now, we'll take the BMW 1250, get it washed at Dynamic Riders. Yeah, looks good, all good. Here at Dynamic Riders, Shiva has given his bike for service. Not service. From that time I'm saying service. Wash, wax, clean.
I want it to be black again.
It is white right now, brownish white. వచ్చేసిందిరా కలర్ బయటకి కొంచెం బ్లాక్ అయింది. But one thing you have to be very careful about if you are washing your bike like this, make sure or tell the guy who's washing it not to hit it on the radiator. One of our friends had this issue. Radiator pins are very delicate, they might bend. Yeah, that's how the Kia sounds when you sit inside. Not sit inside, when you close the door.
Hey, నేను ఈసారి మొత్తం తింటా.
Tinu. It's too strong. Shiva likes this. నేను తింటున్నా already. This is called React Mint. Little bit expensive, but it's worth it, right? It lasts like at least for 2 hours.
ఏమో అందరూ అట్లా అంటారు, నన్ను వదిలేసి 5 నిమిషాల్లో మొత్తం తింటా. షుగర్ ఫ్రీ.
Sugar King. Kadapa King. Shiva,
ముందో స్ట్రెస్.
Shiva, is this copyright వస్తుందా?
లేదు, నేను బండి అంత బాగా పాడుతున్నానా?
అదే నా భయం. Shiva, this is the first time you are driving my car?
లేదురా, ఫస్ట్ ఈ బండి
yes. But that day you were driving like with a lot of tension. ఇప్పుడు నన్ను టెన్షన్ పెట్టకు. అటు ఇటు చూస్తావేంటి, అక్కడ చూడు,
చూస్తే నా వల్ల కాదు.
360 కెమెరా.
నైస్.
విండోస్ షట్ డౌన్. అదే ఎట్లా వచ్చిందిరా, మళ్ళీ ఆన్ చేయ ఒకసారి.
మరి ఆన్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు రాలే
అంటే నువ్వు ఎక్కినాక వస్తుంది అది. పెయిన్
ఫోన్ పెట్టేస్తే ఛార్జ్ అయిపోయింది కదా ఇంతవరకు.
ఉంది, ఇట్ ఈస్ హియర్ వైర్లెస్ చార్జర్.
ఈ ఫోన్ పడుతుందా? ఓ నైస్.
పట్టింది కానీ ఇప్పుడు చార్జ్ కాదు, బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ ఆఫ్. Yes, we have wireless charger as well, but I
wireless
never used it.
CarPlay కూడా రావాలిరా
కదా, that's one thing
ఉందంట ఆల్రెడీ.
లేదు,
there is one
wireless CarPlay లేదు.
ఉందిరా.
The reason I don't use wireless charger is because anyways I need to connect it for the CarPlay via USB. Wire chichi inka wire lente wire chichi.
You see, that's a Sparrow.
Okay, here at Hush Cafe, Chernin is also here. I got crazy. Plan is going on for the next trip already.
నిన్న ఇంకొకటి కూడా ఫోన్ చేసి
He is not coming. He is not coming.
ఫోన్ చేసి
Shiva is not coming. Shiva, why are you not coming? He doesn't want to ship it back basically. If you don't ship it, if you ride it, he wants to basically be a true rider.
అంత లేదు, బండి నడపాలని ఉందిరా అంతే.
That's because you have a genuine reason. That's because it's his new bike, BMW 1250. Mine is an old bike. I'm very bored with it. If I get a new bike, maybe I'll ride it.
నువ్వు చెప్పే ప్రతి సెంటెన్స్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు సేమ్ సెంటెన్స్.
What?
నెక్స్ట్ బైక్ కొత్త 1250 వస్తుంది అని.
Me and Charan are actually bored with long rides. Not long rides, highway rides. 4-lane highways, we are bored now.
So we'll do one thing. We will go to a destination only using state highways.
See, my problem is not riding in state highways or national highways. While going, I'll have fun. But while coming back, I'll be like, let's go home jolly. It's becoming like a marathon for me. I don't want that. There's no fun in it. There's no kick in it. Especially while coming back. So
నీకు స్టేట్ హైవేస్లో వెళ్ళే ఫన్ ఏముంటుందో నీకు ఏం తెలుసు?
no, state highways you have fun.
రిషికేష్ నుంచి ఢిల్లీ వరకు వస్తే పోయడం ఒకటే తక్కువ.
Oh.
Seriously, Rishikesh to Delhi was really scary.
బేకల్ వెళ్ళు స్టేట్ హైవే ఎంత అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుందో చెప్తా.
No. This is next level because you ride through UP, Dacoity area. And
No,
we
no,
were riding
video
through
looks-
some place where we saw people with guns.
I saw the video, but that could be.
But for now, confirmed people are me, Suju, Charan, and Rohit. Black coffee, double shot. Double shot.
My chance to review Kia Seltos.
Finally, Charan is driving my car.
Finally, కాదు నడిపా.
You
Delivery time లో
see,
నడిపా.
all of you people drove it when I got it here exactly after the delivery.
Service అయింది కదా. I
Service
tried
okay.
after service. Now we can.
No, even that time you drove, but then I don't know. I didn't feel like you people drove it properly.
Now we can drive properly.
Now you can drive properly. Properly ante don't rip it open. It's just 1300 kilometers done. So thoda aaram se. My only concern is the way I parked it. Hope this wire doesn't get stuck.
ఫోన్ కోసం ఒక ట్రైపాడ్.
Actually, I did not observe this.
ఫోన్ దా
Mood lighting. Did you see this?
Yeah, I want a different mood. Can you change?
Oh, you
the
can
blue?
even change colors.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
not now. You have to stop the car for that.
Wow.
You know what? You can change colors and you can make them dance according to the music. There are 2-3
Hey,
options.
పెట్టు.
And that you have to stop and do it. You
ఇప్పుడు
can't do
ఆపాలి
it.
అంతేనా?
ఇక్కడ ఆపకు. There's a HUD. Try it out. Yes. Look at that fancy.
ఏంటి సౌండ్ వస్తుంది?
వస్తుంది అక్కడి నుంచి.
Finally. Oh yeah, I forgot.
That is the fancy feature.
Oh, this I
HUD.
checked out when during Delhi. This is the first thing I wanted to check it out. Quite good.
You'll get race car feels. Only thing I miss is
But
paddle
I want to
shifters.
see how we get
Paddle shifters.
ఏమొచ్చింది రా?
how do we get navigation on that.
Navigation, you get arrows.
ఒకసారి పెట్టవా?
Array, Google Maps don't work, but
Would have
there's a
been
stock app that
brilliant.
is working on the HUD. He's talking
Kia
about
Maps.
this.
You can show it actually. It is.
నేను పట్టుకుంటాను.
Sweet.
Yeah, I wish there was Android Auto in that.
So, I thought of
No,
saying.
stop. You know, there are so many monitors on this. For
There-
example, you have this
Array,
indicate,
this feels like I'm attached
right
to your
indicator
door.
monitor.
I'm attached to the door or something. You know those review cars will have all cameras around.
No, but one thing, if you get used to all these cameras, no sensor.
you'll
There's so many
forget.
sensors and cameras. If you
You'll-
go into a different car without all this equipment,
Array,
you
but
pakka
I
find
need
it
an
difficult.
open stretch. Right? I want to try the sports mode.
Open stretch, Jubilee Hills में किधर open stretch? That too in 6 o'clock, 6:30 time peak car है. And that is Srijan Bharadwaj.
న్యూ బైక్ న్యూ ఆటో.
New bike, 3-wheeler. 2-wheelers are done, and now he's coming in the 3-wheeler.
డ్రైవర్ని పార్క్ చేసి రమ్మంటున్నాడు.
Yeah.
Srijan with his
6:30 PM confidence is here. కొత్త బండి బాగుందిరా, ఎల్లో కలర్.
అరే మ్యాడ్ కొన్నా.
బ్లాక్ లో కొనాల్సింది.
నీకు అన్ని ఎల్లు ఎందుకు దొరుకుతారా? జేసీబీలు ఆటోలు కింద కెమెరా పైన కెమెరా.
అందరు వచ్చేసి నా కార్ దొబ్బేస్తున్నారు.
ఎప్పుడు రోజు నువ్వే కదరా
ఇప్పుడు
నడిపేది?
వచ్చి I mean, I'm not complaining, but just saying. Suju bhai is at the wheel.
జుక్కి.
Oh, Shiva's helmet.
వాడికి రాదు.
Array, unlock here.
ఏం సైజ్ వచ్చింది హెల్మెట్?
So Srijan, how is your love life going on? Give us some nice,
Full
exciting news.
ఎక్సైటింగ్. నాకే ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఉందిరా. కొన్ని కొత్త తెలుస్తాయి. ఎక్కడెక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా స్టెప్ వేయాలి. ఎక్కడెక్కడ
ఎన్నిసార్లు కొట్టారు?
522 times every day.
అంటే మామూలు కలిసినప్పుడు 5 సార్లు స్లాపింగ్ అయింది కానీ
అది కెమెరా ముందు. కెమెరా
వెనకాల పాపం పోలీసులు
డైరెక్ట్
పోలీసులు కొట్టినట్టు
సుబ్బు
పోలీసులు కొట్టినట్టు
సుభాష్.
బయట ఏం కనపడవురా.
అయితే రే
ఒరే ఆల్రెడీ ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయింది.
Oh.
దాన్ని మించింది బీతో కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ వస్తాయి.
తను driver
ఈ
కదా.
వీడు రాత్రి కెమెరా స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పటి నుంచి ఐమ్ సారీ ద న్యూ కెమెరా నుంచి అన్ని ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడు.
It doesn't matter because we have Sony A7 S3.
S3.
No need to worry about lighting.
రికార్డ్ కొట్టే ముందు
నీ పాత కెమెరా నీ పేరు చెప్పు.
Sony A7 M3
3 అంటే స్పెషల్ 3
313.
ఒక్కడే తట్టుకోలేకపోతున్నాను.
నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు లెన్స్ అనుకుంటా.
లేదురా, ఐఎమ్ ఓకే విత్ దిస్ లెన్స్.
ఇంకా నువ్వు స్ట్రీట్ ఉన్నావు, నాకు రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వలేదురా.
అరే సీరియస్లీ that bike, it needs
I
to
saw
go
it
out.
only 2 times.
It's not only that, dude. It needs to go out for a long trip. At least
So
Nagpur.
నెక్స్ట్ ట్రిప్
మొన్న తీసుకెళ్ళి మజా
Next
వచ్చేది.
trip, next. Suju, are you confirmed for the next trip? Pakka. 100%.
ఒక్కరిదే.
Oh.
ఉత్తరాఖండ్ మొన్న వెళ్ళాల్సింది స్ట్రీట్ వెన్ వేసుకొని మజా వచ్చేది.
చచ్చిపోతుండే నేను.
వాడు 1250 వీడు స్ట్రీట్ వెన్ మజా వచ్చేది.
Yeah, but actually I'm planning. Sojo, एक ride पे जाएंगे ना, slow, like a small one, maybe.
See, I'm anyways going to
350-400
No,
kilometers.
I
You're
think
going
Gandigoda
to.
going
I'm going to Bangalore. So
That is
you
like
can
crazy, dude. He's going to Bangalore on the bike just before the trip, just before the trip, which is
better.
not possible for me.
ఇన్ని
If
సార్లు
you go like 1 week before, maybe I'll try.
going 4 days before. That's okay.
4 days is too
ఎందుకు
much.
వెళ్తున్నావు?
At least
చెప్పావా?
1 week.
చెప్పా.
Okay, he's getting the tubeless rims for the Africa Twin finally, so we're gonna have all tubeless bikes
చూపిస్తుంది ఈ జాయింట్ కాదు.
in the group. At least I'll not sit and work on bikes when, especially Iska bike.
So technically speaking, I'm getting the 2020 Africa Twin rims on the 2019 bike.
Will
So
it
for
work?
that I need to change.
The bike, huh?
No.
అరే నేను వ్యాలీ డ్రైవర్ కాదురా రే, నన్ను వదిలేసిపోతున్నావు ఇట్లా.
వాళ్ళే పెట్టేమ్మా.
మంచి కార్ నడుపుతున్నాడు, దిగి వెళ్ళిపోతూనే ఉన్నాడు, ఆఫ్ కూడా చేయలే. ముందే పెట్రోల్ 95 రూపీస్ అంట. సొచ్చో కమ్ దాటడానికి కూడా రాదు మా రోడ్. హైదరాబాద్ పుట్టావా లేదా? గంట అయింది నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి. ఇంతసేపు రోడ్ క్రాస్ చేస్తావా? హే రిమెంబర్ దిస్ ప్లేస్? ఓల్డ్
remember this place?
स्ट्रीट वेन के ऊपर
ओल्ड क्या रे? तू भी स्ट्रीट वेन खरीद लिया.
अरे नी ओल्ड स्ट्रीट वेन में ना I did a nice photo shoot here. Oh, this is nice. This is a perfect place to test night shots on this A7 S3. See, देखो ఇంత అందంగా కనిపిస్తుంది చూసావా ఈ చీకట్లో. ఇట్ ఈస్ రియలీ డార్క్ హియర్, వెరీ డార్క్ హియర్. ఐఫోన్లో చూడు అక్కడ చచ్చిపోయినట్టు ఎట్లున్నాడు చూడు అక్కడ.
స్కూల్లో అమ్మాయిలతో ఎట్లా మాట్లాడారు?
బట్ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్.
వచ్చేసారంట.
అరే ఇందులో ఉన్న చైతన్యం బయటకు వచ్చి.
ఇక్కడ వెనకాల CFL బల్బ్ ఉంటుంది.
CFL లాగలేదు ఇలా అలా ఉంది.
అండ్ బర్త్డే ముందు వెళ్దామని వెయిట్ చేస్తాం.
Hey, हमारा तीनों का बर्थडे is coming soon. Mine first is mine, then इसका yours is 20, 27, mine is 24, 27, then Pooja's is 29. Adi neede epudu ra? By the way, we don't remember anyone's birthday in the group. June. Mast time undi, but we have to admit something. Aditya gave the biggest party in the whole group, right? Bada bill. Devda. But that was like a couple of years ago. I think first.
Single, no splits.
No split, single, big bill, checkbook. Bill was just 5 digit. Actually, 2 people gave very good parties. That is, one is Charan and one is Aditya. It ends there. After that, no one gave parties. Party culture stopped after that. Sujun, my party, he did party. Sujun gave party to his friends. Like the friends he doesn't meet much. The friends he meets every single day, he did not party, give a party.
I didn't get any party from Suju. Not even his bike party.
Party.
See, 3 of us every day, almost alternate day. Every alternate day, inka.
Bachelor party yet.
By the way, bro, you have to give us a bachelor party, a good one.
Why?
Because you're not a bachelor.
Because you're gonna end your bachelorship soon. Bachelorhood diamond. So you have to give a bachelor party. Final inga last.
Kaka ఒక్కసారి.
No, Suju, we were expecting some international trip for us. But luckily abhi COVID hai, so we'll ask you for a maybe domestic trip at least.
Lucky ban gaya sala.
Suju, domestic trip at least for us, please. Domestic trip.
వెళ్తున్నా ట్రిప్ కి ఫ్యాబ్లో.
Oh, good.
నేను వస్తా.
మా ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కూడా పట్టుకొస్తా, రైడింగ్ చేయని వాళ్ళని కూడా పట్టుకొస్తా.
స్పాన్సర్ అని చెప్పి నేను లీవ్ తీసుకుంటా.
రాజు వస్తున్నా ఫోన్.
So what's up, Srujan? How is your love life going on? So what's up, Srujan? So Srujan, how is your love life going on?
Take 2.
So Srujan, how is your love life going on?
Take 3.